Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to show you how to make prawns curry. Wash the prawns thoroughly and add chili powder, turmeric and required quantity of salt and marinate it for 20 minutes. Place a pan on the stove, add required quantity of oil, mustard seeds and jeera. Once mustard seeds splatter in the oil, add 2 chopped onions and 2 chilies and mix well. Cook well until it turns dark brown color. Then add 1 chopped tomato and ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Cook until oil separates. Now add marinated prawns and put your flame to low to medium and cook it well until oil separates from the curry. Now add tamarind juice and add extra water if you need more gravy. Now add dhania powder, jeera powder and garam masala and mix it properly and close it with a lid and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once oil separates, add curry leaves and coriander and leave it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our yummy prawns curry is ready.